Logitech has recently unveiled its latest innovation, the Logitech Wave Keys Ergonomic Keyboard. This cutting-edge keyboard is meticulously developed to provide users with a more comfortable and natural typing experience, while promoting better posture and reducing the risk of strain and discomfort. The standout feature of the Logitech Wave Keys keyboard is its unique wave-shaped keyframe. The keys are thoughtfully arranged in a curved layout to mimic the natural positioning of your hands when typing. This ergonomic appearance helps to alleviate stress and strain on the wrists and hands, making long typing sessions more comfortable. In addition, the classic number pad maintains a conventional layout, ensuring that users can swiftly perform numeric inputs as needed. Logitech offers the Wave Keys in two stylish color options, a sleek gray variant and a pristine white model. Logitech is committed to environmental responsibility and has incorporated sustainable materials into the Wave Keys keyboard. The white variant consists of 46% post-consumer plastic, while the gray model contains 61% post-consumer plastic. This eco-friendly approach not only reduces the carbon footprint, but also showcases Logitech's dedication to creating products that are mindful of their impact on the environment. The Logitech Wave Keys keyboard goes above and beyond to enhance user comfort. It comes equipped with a comfortable wrist rest featuring 3 layers of support materials. This includes deep memory foam and a +4 degrees tilt bracket, which aids in maintaining a natural wrist position. The soft touch surface is not only pleasant to the touch, but also easy to clean, ensuring that your workspace remains tidy and hygienic. The Wave Keys keyboard offers multiple connectivity options to cater to different user preferences. You can pair it with your device via Bluetooth for a wireless experience, or use the included Logi Bolt receiver for a reliable and efficient connection. Additionally, the keyboard supports Logitech's Easy Switch feature, allowing users to seamlessly switch between up to 3 devices, such as computers, tablets, or mobile phones, with just one click. This versatility is a valuable asset for those who frequently work across multiple platforms. Furthermore, the Wave Keys keyboard boasts an impressive battery life of up to 3 years, though this may vary depending on your usage patterns. This extended battery life ensures that you can enjoy uninterrupted usage without the need for frequent battery replacements, a convenience that modern users will appreciate. To further enhance the ergonomic benefits of the Logitech Wave Keys keyboard, the company recommends pairing it with their Lift vertical mouse. This mouse features a 57 degrees inclination appearance that can raise the wrist, reduce pressure on the hand, and minimize forearm twists. Together, the Wave Keys keyboard and the Lift vertical mouse offer a comprehensive solution for users seeking an ergonomic and comfortable workspace. This highly anticipated keyboard will be available at a competitive price of €99, making it an attractive option for those seeking a premium yet affordable ergonomic solution. The accessibility of this innovative keyboard allows a wider range of users to experience the benefits of its ergonomic appearance. In conclusion, the Logitech Wave Keys Ergonomic Keyboard represents a significant step forward in the quest for more comfortable and natural typing experiences. Its innovative appearance, sustainable materials, versatile connectivity options, and dedication to user comfort make it a compelling choice for those who value both productivity and ergonomic well-being in their workspaces. Logitech's commitment to sustainability and user-focused appearance ensures that the Wave Keys is a valuable addition to the world of computer peripherals. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.